Hi, my name is Kezia and welcome to my corner. If you're new here, oh my god, where have you been? I hope you get to stay. I'm Kezia and I love everything makeup. I do vlogs as well, so if you want to see more about makeup or more about braces or more about, I don't know, then obviously subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And if you are a returning subscriber, oh my god, thank you so much for coming back. It really means the world to me, guys. Vera, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So today's video is going to be me testing out some new products. I've got a full face of products which are new, which I have never tested, so I'm really excited. So let's just go ahead and get started with today's video. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. So I think I'm just going to go do my face first and then my eyes, because my eyes, we have a very chill palette, and actually it's actually in the name chill. You will see. But let's start with the primer first. Okay, so for primer I have the new Huda Beauty. Let me lower my brightness. The new Huda Beauty Jelly Primer. I really like the bottle of the primer. It's actually really pretty. I've never tried anything like this. I'm just going to literally just put some of the primer. Just feels very, oh my god, it feels really cooling on the skin, very liquidy. Oh my days, this feels so cooling and refreshing on my skin. I have the new Huda Beauty Filter Luminous Matte Full Coverage Liquid Foundation, and it's this one right here. I got mine in the shade Shortbread. Hope it's a good color. So I'm just going to literally put some on my sponge. Okay, let's just put that much for now. So I did that. So I'm just going to continue blending, but as I am blending in, I am noticing that I think the shade is quite good. It's quite, my god, it's quite full coverage. And this is more lightweight than their full filter. I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. So I was like, okay, let me try this out, because if I like that one, you know, this is a luminous foundation, I should like this one as well. Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation feels more lightweight, if I like, even it looks more lightweight than this one. So I don't know, but we'll see. I will definitely see how it stays on. I'm just going to apply some concealer, and I actually have a new concealer. It is the Ordinary Full Coverage Concealer. Obviously this I would have preferred to test it out with the foundation, with their foundation, but I've just grabbed some products, and you know, oh my god, this is so freaking tiny. It's cheap as well, but it's tiny, and I don't like concealers that come out like this. I prefer with a doe foot applicator. I'm just going to apply this on my finger, literally. I don't know, I don't think we need a lot. Is this how you apply it, guys? But yeah, we just apply it like that, and I'm just going to blend it out. I mean, it's quite full coverage, I must say, and I really did a little bit. I didn't apply a lot, as you saw, like a little, like not even like smaller than a pea size amount. Oh my god, this concealer is spectacular. I mean, look at that. I like the concealer a lot. And now we're just going to move on to powder. Now for powder, I don't have anything new, but I'm just going to use my Kylie Jenner setting powder. Absolutely love this powder, and let me tell you why. Actually really like the packaging as well. I think it's so cute. So I'm just going to use some of that. I literally don't use a lot of the powder, because I don't like having so much powder on my skin. So literally just grabbing what I have. So let's see. Okay, I really like my base. It's actually really set well, knit well, very good coverage in my opinion, so that's very good. Okay, so now for brows, I'm just going to do this off camera because I don't have any new products. I'm just going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, as well as my Revolution Brow Gel. So I've done my brows, and now we're just going to move on to my eyes. And for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using this palette from BH Cosmetics. It's the Chillin' in Chicago palette. It has 16 different shadows, and that's why I said, you know, we're going to chill together, because we have a palette which is actually called Chillin' in Chicago. Oh my god, the packaging is really pretty, as you can see. I haven't bought something from BH Cosmetics in so long. I got this from Beauty Bay, but these are the shades. They're actually really pretty. Perfect. I got the Beauty Bay HG Crease Brush. This is the brush I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to take, I think the first shade I'm going to take is the L, I think, or Deep Dish.
A few moments later.
Take Deep Dish first. This shade first, which is called Deep Dish, and it's a very corally shade. So I'm just going to apply this lightly on my crease. Ooh, that's very... Wasn't expecting this coral shade, but it's fine. That's good. I think I need to just add a wee bit on this side because on the other side it came out more pigmented. They're really pigmented, the shadows. So I'm just gonna actually, let's see what happens when I actually use the L, which is the one next to it. And I just want to see if we can like maybe buff it out a little bit. I'm going to apply it at the top. I don't know if it's like doing anything, but I'll just buff it out a little bit. Now I think I'm just gonna take, I think I'm literally just gonna take this shade, which is actually called Wrigleyville. I don't know. Sorry, I've never been to Chicago, so someone from Chicago can maybe correct me. I'm just gonna actually take it on this very dense brush, and I'm just going to literally put it in my outer corner. And then, as you know, what I like doing is I like taking that blending brush we used before, and we're just gonna blend in the shade like this. I think that looks stunning. But oh my goodness, they blend in really nicely and they're very, very, very pigmented. I love the look of this. That's really pretty. As I said, we're going to do a really simple look, guys, so nothing too bombastic, but I don't know which one I'm gonna take now as my shimmer shade. Oh my god, look at these shimmers, guys. I didn't know that this palette had these shimmers. I mean, what? I'm sorry, excuse you. So I still don't know which color I'm gonna use. I think this one I'm just gonna take Magnificent because I think that's really pretty. Or I can take, no, Magnificent. Let's take Magnificent. So I'm gonna take this one right here. I didn't know though, from shades like that, these colors come out, so I'm really actually like really impressed. So I'm just literally patting that on. I don't want it to go chunky, so we just pat it on gently. And you just blend that into Magnificent. Wow. Okay, and now I'm just going to use a shimmer shade. Now, there's a Lakeview and a Millennium. Oh, look at those shades. Okay, I think I'm just going to go with a Lakeview because it actually complements my shimmer shade that we did before. Tap, tap, tap. Use the wrong one. I'm taking Lakeview. Oh, did I show you what Lakeview looks like? I'm so sorry. This is Lakeview right there. That's the one I'm using. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, now I'm just going to take something for my lower lash line. I think I don't want to do anything that big. So I'm just literally going to take the L again and just see like what comes out of it. I think something like that is perfect. Okay, I don't have any fallout whatsoever, so that's very good. Always like that. Okay, so those are the eyes, but I'm actually really impressed by this palette, especially the shimmer shades. To be honest, I have just one little thing. Sort of the colors over here, I don't feel represent the true shades of the shimmer shades, especially, you know, like the ones I swatched. It looks like more of like a pink palette, but then in reality, it's more of like a coral palette. So I don't know, but I absolutely that's the only thing that I can like highlight about this palette, but the rest is pretty much fine. Okay, so I have something really exciting to try out. I've been wanting to try this out for so long, but I haven't found it in stock. But finally, I found it. This is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and I'm going to be using this. I mean, on TikTok, everyone is going, you know, crazy about it because it creates such elongated lashes. So I was like, I need to get onto this train and try it out. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. Okay, so we're going to try the mascara out. And this is what the wand looks like that. Oh my days. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, that is insane. So I need to I'm just going to do the same thing on, like, it really creates really long spider looking lashes, which is something I really like. For bronzer, I have this palette as well. This is the Weekend Vibes Belgian Waffle palette from BH Cosmetics. I picked up both of them, but oh my god, guys, the mascara is amazing. I think it will be like a definite favorite mascara of the year. This is the outer packaging of the palette. It's stunning. And then this is how it looks like when you open it. I'm just going to use a mixture of cinnamon and batter as my bronzer. I feel like I want to use both the shades. Very, very light. I'm really liking a foundation and all that jazz. Have no complaints. Oh my goodness, but these, oh, they're so light. So for someone who really likes very lightweight bronzer, this would be perfect. Like, I don't mind a bit of bronzer, but I really like this. Now, something I've been actually using, which I want to use for today's video, this is the Essence Silky Blush. This one is in the Secret It Girl. This is kind of in my project pan, so I kind of want to use it today. But because I think it really looks good with the look that we're going for. So, and now we're just going to use some highlight, and I think I'm just going to use Syrup because it's calling my name. So I'm going to use this one, which is called Syrup. It's actually really pretty. Looks really pretty. Oh my days, that is shimmery. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take another brush and I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone as my highlight because I think that looks stunning. All right, oh my god, we have come to the end. I don't have much lipsticks. These are not new lipsticks, but I think I'm just going to go in for a nude. This is the Flormar Kiss Me More Lip Tattoo. And this one is in the shade called Babe. So it's the one I want to use. So yeah, I really like this lipstick. I think I couldn't have chosen a better lipstick. So to set everything up, I'm just going to be using my Benefit The Professional Super Setting Spray. I've used this before and I really like it. It's very, very lightweight. Feels really nice. Basically, that was today's video. I've tried a multitude of things and honest to God, I like all of them. My face makeup, these two products right here from Huda Beauty, I really like them together. I feel like they created a really nice base for my face. I rhymed. And then, oh my days, this concealer, this little thing, it does a magic. It does so much. I really recommend you getting it. Palette of BH Cosmetics, absolutely love them. And then this, you need to get your hands on this because this is going to be the best mascara for 2021, well, so far. I think those were most of the products I tried out, which were new. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. What do you think of today's makeup look? Let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you all have a lovely day. Hope you enjoyed today's video again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!